Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a file in Python. So let's get started. So before I get started I have to save my file. So here's the catch. You should save your file. Your folder will be created where your main file is. In my case, my main file is in desktop. So when I create a file, the file will be located in my desktop area. I'm just minimizing it to show you guys where the created file, when the created file is created, to show you that. So let's create. So first of all, I'm gonna create a variable which is called file equals to open function. Inside that function I have to write the name of the file that I want to create or I want to just access. In this case I want to create a file, so let's give it a name. Let's suppose demo.txt file, txt because I want to create a txt file, then comma, in another bracket I want to write w. To I type w here because I want to write here some. So another thing, if the demo text if the file is not already in your directory, then it will be created, or and if that file is already existed to that location, then that file will be edited. So our file will be created here. So let's run the code, this particular line. Well, here you can see this one, the demo file, txt file was created here. So inside that file, if we want to open it, we'll see. Or give me a second to select notepad, this type of function. Yeah, you'll see an empty box because we haven't given anything to that file. So let's write something to that file. Suppose for that I have to write the variable name, then dot extension. There are lots of extensions here, you can see, as we want to write a file. So I'm typing write, then inside this bracket you can write whatever you want. It's like the string variable, how you declare string or write a string. It's like that. So in this string I would like stay, and here run the code again. Yeah, it will just upgrade the format. We don't change anything. Okay, we was inputting something we want to show in the compiler, so we'll just open the file, and here we have to instead of typing w, we have to write here r stands for reading. We want to read, so file I, then another extension is called read line. Basically what it's gonna do, it's gonna read all the line from this file and put it to this compiler, and this the thing that he's gonna input must be stored somewhere. So to do that I'm making another variable which is called info and taking this thing here. So info contains all the strings or data of this file. Then I have to close that file as my work has done here. The file dot close again, then check it out what was written. So print, just fix that. Now run the thing. Now run the program. We'll see I like coding in our compiler. So another thing that I want to share with you, that there's another type which is called a type file. So basically what a type file does is, this one is already saved. If I write something new, such as I like to play PUBG, then run the code, you'll see I like to play the PUBG, and the previous string that I like coding is totally vanished or deleted. And in programming, sometimes you need to add a particular string for the previous session. For to do that, we use A instead of W. And right now, here I like to play PUBG. Then I would like to add another string that I like to put slash n for a new line. Then in that new line, I've write I like to code. Then run the run the program in the country I like to code. So I like to code is added to this added to the previous string. So that's how you add new string to the file and take inputs from a file. So it is all for this video. Hope you like the video. Thank you.